In the world of business, they say timing is everything. But what if you could actually be there, right at the perfect time? Today, we're going to dive into Google Ads, the incredible tool that makes that exact thing possible.
So here's the big question, right? It's the challenge every single business faces. How do you cut through all the noise online and connect with the people who are right now ready to buy? It's not about just shouting your message out there. It's about becoming the answer they're actively looking for.
And the solution, believe it or not, is beautifully simple. Instead of you going out and searching for customers, you let them find you. By showing up at that exact moment they're searching, you're not an interruption. No, you are the solution they were hoping to find all along.
And that, my friends, is where Google Ads comes in. I want you to imagine a billboard, but this isn't any old billboard on the side of the highway. This is a billboard that only appears to people who are looking for exactly what you sell. That is the magic of Google Ads. It's not just advertising. It's a direct, targeted conversation with your perfect customer.
So how does this actually work financially? Well, Google Ads runs on what's called a pay-per-click model, or PPC, and it's exactly what it sounds like. You only pay a fee when someone is interested enough in your ad to actually click on it. It's this incredibly efficient system because it rewards you for being relevant and creating ads people genuinely want to see. No click, no cost. Simple as that.
To build a campaign that really works, you need to nail 4 key ingredients. Think of it like a recipe. First, you need the right keywords to attract the right people. Second, you need amazing ad copy that grabs their attention and makes them want to click. Third, you need a great landing page that actually delivers on what your ad promised. And finally, you need a smart bidding strategy to make sure you're getting the best bang for your buck.
Okay, so you've got your campaign all set up. You've picked your keywords, you've written your ad. But how does Google decide which ad gets that top spot? Well, it all happens in a lightning-fast auction that takes place every single time someone hits search. So let's peek behind the curtain and see how this thing really works.
Now, here's a huge misconception. You might think the advertiser with the biggest budget, the one who bids the most, always wins. But that's where you'd be wrong. See, Google's #1 priority is making sure the person searching has a great experience, so they actually reward ads that are super relevant and helpful. This means a small business with a fantastic ad can totally outrank a giant corporation with a massive budget. It's awesome.
This is where the real magic happens. Google uses this thing called ad rank to figure out where your ad shows up. The best way to think about it is like a quality score for your ads. It's a combination of how much you're willing to bid and how good and relevant your ad is. A higher ad rank means Google sees you as more trustworthy, so you can actually get a better ad position for a lower price. It's a system that truly rewards quality over just cash.
Let's just walk through it real quick. So you go to Google and you search for, say, best running shoes. In literally the blink of an eye, Google's system finds every advertiser trying to show an ad for that search. It runs that super fast auction we just talked about, calculates the ad rank for everyone, and then, boom, it shows you the winners, the ads with the highest ad rank. It's this incredibly complex dance that happens in a split second, all designed to get you the best possible answer.
All right, now that you know the secrets of the ad auction, it's time to actually put this knowledge to work. And trust me, getting started is so much easier than you probably think. So let's walk through the very first steps to get your own campaign up and running.
It really just boils down to 2 simple things to get the ball rolling. First, you just have to create your Google Ads account. If you've got a Gmail account, you are literally halfway there. You just plug in your business info. The second step, and I'd argue this is the most important step of all, is to clearly define what your goal is for the campaign. And I really can't stress this enough. Before you write a single ad, before you pick one keyword, you have to stop and ask yourself one simple question. What do I want to achieve with this? That answer, whatever it is, becomes your North Star. It's going to guide every single decision you make from here on out.
So what is your goal? I mean, are you trying to sell more products directly from your website? Or maybe get more leads, phone calls or contact form submissions for your service business? Maybe you just want to drive a ton of traffic to your new blog. Or hey, maybe your goal is just to get more people to walk into your actual physical local store. Whatever it is, choosing that one clear goal is the absolute first step to success.
So, we've covered the what, the how, and the why of Google Ads. But now, the ball's in your court. I want you to really think about it. What is the #1 thing you want to achieve for your business right now? Once you have that answer, you are ready. You're ready to start your Google Ads journey and turn that goal into a